Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hump day. So we just had 3 huge down days on the NASDAQ. We had a banger day yesterday. Brought out the money gun. Caught the move down. And now, we're having a tiny gap up, but we're mostly just opening within yesterday's range and today's NVIDIA earnings. So I don't actually have high expectations for today after 3 large down moves on the daily to the downside. You can look at the daily. There's not many times that we have 4 large down moves to downside in a row. Maybe this is the last one, 3 in a row, and then this one opened up here, tried to rally to the top, and then dropped down to here. Okay. So vote in the chat. Let's see. Most people are bearish. Oh, welcome. Already 800 people here. Probably because I hit the scheduled. I scheduled the stream yesterday. I didn't schedule it. Just put it like morning of. There's still some money on the floor that I have to clean up. I had too much fun yesterday. So there's like 5 minutes until the open. We're in the 15. Pretty happy before I got out of the trailing part of my position around like here. I need to sneeze. I always sneeze twice. Okay. Today I think it's a slow news day, right? Yeah, pretty slow news day. 10 a.m. moderate news. Orange folder. So where did we close on here? So it was small. We're gapping up a bit. Close here. Okay. Yeah, so we're just gapping up like a tiny bit on the indices. 3 minutes until the open. Vote in the poll on your bias. Let's see. Most people, it's split right now, 50-50, 41% bearish, 40% bullish, 19% neutral. Name unknown said, assume you'll be hiring people to pick up money from the floor. I do have a cleaning lady, but she doesn't come. Comes like every 2 or 3 weeks. So last time she was here was February 13th. So actually, no, I can pick it up. You have beautiful hair, Tanya. Thank you. I do have very thick hair, a lot of hair. Ends up everywhere. Like, there's so much of it. It's crazy. I have to pay extra at the salon always because there's more of it and they take more time. So every time I know, like, the salon lady's like, wow, you have a lot of hair, or they call one of their coworkers over, I'm like, damn, I'm gonna be paying extra now. But whatever. It's a good problem. Oh yeah, so see. I put my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna close the poll in like 1 or 2 minutes. Vote in the poll what your bias is. Okay, here's the open. Most people in the chat ending the poll are 42% bearish. 41% bearish, 38% bullish, 19% neutral. Here's the open. We're dropping a bit to fill in that gap. That's a gap up on NQ. My bias is pretty neutral. I think today's going to be a quiet day because of 3 huge down days, and then like Nvidia earnings are today after hours. So I don't have high expectations. I think it's a high resistance day, honestly. So far, you had the gap fill. Pretty large 1-minute candles to like 45 down, then 45 points back up. Crazy. Yeah, Zev. FTDY is Tradeify. Zev, you can check out the links in my description. Those are the prop firms I use. You don't have to put in caps. NVIDIA earnings are today after hours. There's no divergences, really. You completely filled in that gap up. My bias is like seeking destroy / high resistance stay. That's what it is. We just filled the gap up. That doesn't mean that we're gonna have a easy move back up to the upside because of all this like jaggedness, but you can probably take out some trendline liquidity. By the way, we had such a killer day yesterday. Ooh, look at this. It's kind of funny. Happened like right after I said that. Probably like a 50.1 minute candle. Yeah, 45 points. Yeah, good point, Nacho. London low and high were swept already. Humongous fair value gap there. What is NQ looking like here? Up 0.5%. Are you in live every day? Yeah, pretty much. I'm basically just waiting, seeing how this first presented FEG is treated. If like we retrace to more than 50% of it, like, and we hang around here for too much, I think today's like a high resistance day or seek and destroy day. You know, like I said, we filled this gap up, filled the gap up completely. I said, you know, we could move higher, but it doesn't mean it's going to be a clean move, and it could just take out trendline liquidity, which I already did like the 30 seconds after I said that. I don't particularly think that we're going to have a low resistance move to the upside after 3 down days. It just could be like consolidation or seek and destroy. Being careful, we're inside yesterday's range. It's like one of my least favorite situations because it's just hard to tell the draw on liquidity. We could come back into this daily FEG, but it could be a high resistance run higher to that. Still have sell side below. Looks like ES is completely bleeding through that first presented fair value gap. Looks like NQ is too, right? Yeah, the high resistance day then. All those longs just got wrecked. Damn. What? Went up, then went down the same amount. So far, very much seek and destroy, right? Today's a high resistance day, or seek and destroy day, we'll see. But so far, seek and destroy. So, takes out a low, then takes out a high, then we'll see if it takes out a low. There's no point in me getting involved in the middle of the range. The day's range is like so big. 1 minute candles are 50 points, but the range is 85 points, It's a hard market there. Alchemist Day Trading says, it's weird how I don't trade ICT and the psychology of our mindsets are very similar on point. I love how you called it seek and destroy. That is hilarious. Yeah, ICT calls it also seek and destroy. Basically, yeah. Because price seeks liquidity and destroys people on both sides, basically. It's FAFO. You can call it FAFO. This is the FAFO market. F around and find out. But anyway, since it seems to be like seek and destroy, I did want to say, we had such a killer day yesterday. Talked to the My Funded Futures team, and they said, yeah, let's sponsor another giveaway. So this is a giveaway. If you use my code Tanya anytime until February 28th, you're automatically entered into this giveaway where 5 people will win a 50K starter account. So that's pretty cool. And all you have to do to get entered is pretty simple. If you buy any kind of account from My Funded Futures, use code Tanya, you're automatically entered. So yeah, if you haven't tried My Funded Futures yet, that's a good time when you get entered into a giveaway. And their expert plans, 25% off, which is my favorite plan because it's you can get big payouts from that plan. And it has the easiest rules, but that is one of their more expensive plans, but that's my favorite one. Otherwise, you could also get a starter or starter plus whatever account you're automatically entered. So really, we're just hanging around in this middle of the range. That's how you know it's seek and destroy. You can just take out the whole range of the day. See, we're hanging out around in the middle most of the time. There's no real trend so far in the first 15 minutes of the day. Pretty ugly. Today is not day one of FAFO. You don't think 29.34 is the magnet for price since it's so close? I don't think we're so close to that right now. I mean, I have 9.43. I put 4-hour sell side there. Yeah. I don't think it's today. I don't think it's today's magnet. I don't really see us moving below yesterday's low. At the moment, I think today's going to be an inside day. It's going to be a tough day. So far, I've said that since the open, and so far I'm right? The 15-minute Candle is quite ugly, doji, but lots of indecision there. Close back inside the range. Give this 15-minute, maybe I'll mark that out. I think this could be an interesting point of interest. This 15-minute FEG up here in a premium after it did take some buy side. So I think that's an interesting place that we could look at if it retraces to this. Maybe at 10. It's literally is FAFO, like today is FAFO. F around and find out. Okay, let's see here. Yes, much stronger. It'll be quite interesting if ES hits previous day high and NQ like doesn't. That could be a particular divergence that could be a point of interest for a move to the downside later. We'll see, we'll see. Here we are in that 15-minute FEG on NQ while ES is very close and probably about to take out that 830 high. What's funny about this move is that, you know, people are definitely trying along in here and they probably did get wrecked on this move down because it like moved down like 50 or 60 points almost back to this leg low, unless they put their stop here, which would have been like a 60-point stop. But yeah, this candle definitely wrecked some people. Okay, so now you have ES taking out that pre-market high while NQ is not there yet. Right, we're back in this like 15-minute FEG in a premium, but we did take some sell side here, so I wouldn't just be shorting straight up in here. The ES is taking this pre-market high. Could be a potential divergence, but I'd prefer a divergence at the previous day high. So ES is about 12 points away from that. So yeah, NQ could potentially still run up through this, and it looks like it is. It's not like there's been any shift back lower. We have orange folder at 10. Was it at 10:30 also? That's crude oil inventories. That's not going to affect indices. If you trade crude oil, it will. So that's why I didn't mark it out. Marked it out here in orange on my chart. I don't know. Can you guys see this orange? Should I make it somehow darker? We can make it thicker. Ooh, oh, that's too thick. Right? We can just make it darker orange. Can we make something between this thickness and this one? This is wild. It's too much. I guess I'll make it a dashed line. Yeah. Dotted, yeah. That's a little better. Okay, that's better. La la la. I'm watching on the highest graphic and your chart is still ugly. It says mukbang. Like ugly in what sense of the word? Someone said ICT long. Oh, that's cool. Is he like putting all that in his Telegram? Someone says like, oh, they're like, oh, did ICT send you a signal or something? I'm like, no. That's like a compliment though, because that means like I trade. I mean, if I'm his student, it's kind of obvious I trade somewhat similar to him. No, like, I'm doing it live, and I show exactly when I enter the same second. Like I'm not reading a freaking signal. It's quite obvious, and I'm talking about what I'm looking for the whole time. It's crazy to say that. Not found where I can put your code on MFFU cart. It's when you go to checkout and it asks for a code. Let me see. It says add coupon code. This after you click yes and okay to all the platform agreements, and if you click add coupon code, then if you apply Tanya there, it'll give you the best discount. Here. Hope that helped. Someone said, yeah, answer slowly. I'm Brazilian. Okay. Hope I answered slowly enough. So basically you go there and you click which account you want. There's different rules based on whichever one. So let's say starter plus, click choose. Then you click, I like Trade-Evade the best because then, trading view. The trading view, because then you could literally choose whether you want to do it on Trade-Evade or Ninja Trader. Because you could use Trade-Evade credentials. I'll just give you Trade-Evade credentials to use. And you can use that in Ninja Trader. And that's where I put everything. And then you click yes, agree to everything here. And then there, add coupon code. That's, hope I explained that slowly enough. So far, yeah, we reached my point of interest here, and it's not like it broke a swing low with a fair value gap. Like, this is not a swing low, for example. I think a lot of people would get messed up just because this is a down close candle. Does that mean that's a swing low? Because look, there's swing low is when the candle to the left has a higher low than that one, and this is not. This is a lower low than this one. So the swing low is not there. Just because it's a down close candle doesn't mean it's a swing low. So we just had that 10 a.m. news there. We didn't really move much. Took out the pre-market high here on ES, but not NQ yet. This could definitely happen, but I'm just watching that. It could also just slowly break down lower back into this area. It's not to me, this is not a high probability day because we had 3 down days in a row. Right? If it was a second, like yesterday, I wasn't really afraid of shorting on a low resistance liquidity run because I was like, okay, we had 2 large down days. We could, in my mind, I'm like, we could have a third one. Especially we had like 4-hour sell side. You just have to trust it. I know some people like, they're saying like, we had low resistance run the whole way down. It's hard for me to trust after all this high resistance run. It could be hard and uncomfortable for you to enter a trade, but you still have to enter it if it follows all your criteria. Like, you just have to take a deep breath and click the button. Like, it's hard, but if you don't do it, then you miss it, and like it was a valid trade, you're really missing out on a lot of like upside. So, like, because those days are what's going to really make up for your losing days. It's a pretty good day yesterday. 140 points on my runner. All my position was off at 100 points. 100 plus points in the second trade. It was cool. We had 2 winning trades. So let's see here. On ES, I had that 4-hour marked out. Basically said if we hit this on NQ and then like ES started inverting on the 1 minute, I'll close the rest of my NQ, and that's pretty much where I got out. So I was pretty happy with that exit. So that's why I'm not so bearish today, but also I'm not like particularly bullish because where are you really aiming for? I don't know, like previous day high, but it could just be a high resistance move up there, which we kind of had because, I'm sure this candle, enticed a lot of people. I know when this candle formed, I was like, wow, that's a huge candle. It was like 45 points. And then this one just completely reversed that one. Kind of funny. And then it ended up going back higher after definitely stopping people out on this leg down, I think. Let's see. And you had your inversion. I guess some people could like enter there, but it's like too minor of a sell side for me to want to get involved. It's just filled the gap. And I know today's going to be an inside day most likely on NQ. meaning I don't think they're going to hit previous day low or high. Such a large range there. We pretty much opened up in the middle of it, right? So let me see here. Mark out previous day low. Just my mentality, like today's an NVIDIA earnings after hours too. So it could just be a slow day. What's the range so far? Like NVIDIA's like earnings are definitely going to affect the sentiment of the whole market. Okay, range is 130 points so far. Let's see, from 950 to 1010, what do we do? Okay. What is ES still grinding up higher? Yeah. Okay, ES broke its close above its pre-market high there actually. Close above new high of day. Didn't close above it, but yeah, it's just hanging around pre-market high right now. Not doing too much. What's the range of the candles in the last 5 minutes? 11 points on ES, and on NQ, it's been like, you know, like these tiny bodied candles. 50 points. Huge wicks. No FDGs on the 5 here on NQ. You have one on the 5 on ES here. Yeah, yesterday was a great day for me. And then I went to my first hockey game. I went to the Islanders versus Rangers game last night. So I won those tickets. You guys, I won my first giveaway at my church's fundraiser event. They're having like a raffle giveaway. They're like raising money for charity. And I was like looking at the different prizes and on the table that you could put your raffles into, decide which one do you want to be entered into. And I saw like 4 tickets to a hockey game. And I was like, ooh, I've never been to a hockey game. Let's do that. And I bought like $120 worth of raffle tickets because I was like, it's a good cause, whatever. And let me like up my chances. And I was there for 20 minutes. I was ripping up because they just handed me them on like these huge strips and I had to like rip up every one individually. I was there for so long. There was people making conversation with me of being like, so I guess you really want those hockey tickets, right? And then I put some in like, I diversified a little bit. I put some in like a Kate Spade bag and I put some whatever in like a little spa prize. The first prize they announced was the Kate Spade bag purse, Kate Spade purse, and I won it immediately. I won something. I was like lit, so I already made my money back because that bag's like, I don't know, $300 probably. And then it's funny, I didn't even like it that much. I saw my mom liked it, so I put it there and I gave it to my mom. And I put most of it into this hockey game. They're announcing for the hockey game who's the winner. The first time they announced the numbers for the raffle, I don't win, but the person that won is not present. They left. So they go on to announce the second number. That person's not there either. They announce a third number. The person's not there to claim their prize either. They announce a fourth number, and it's me. And I'm like, yeah, I'm here. And I go over there. They take my email down, and yeah, I went to the hockey game yesterday. It was fun. My first hockey game. We were really, really good seats, actually. Really close. You can check my Instagram story. It was so close to the ice. We're like second row in our section. Like the second row, like basically 5 rows from the front. It's like, heck yeah. That was a little bit of luck. Tanya, this is totally off subject. I'm curious to know what's your favorite TV show and movie. And have you watched Outer Banks? I have not watched Outer Banks. Favorite TV show is The Office. It's a good comfort show. It's funny. They don't make humor like that anymore. And I've definitely watched it a few times. Favorite movie, I don't know. I think that's a hard one. Yeah, movie is harder. This crappy action, zigzagging. Probably is going to end up taking out this pre-market high. I'm thinking mostly, I'm glad I didn't really take any shorts. Actually didn't entice any shorts either because there's a swing low, no displacement. I do wonder if there's going to be a divergence, ES taking previous day high, and then maybe you'll get a move to the downside, but I'll see if there's like just slow action again, like I'm not going to do anything. How do I identify which highs or lows to anchor my OTE to? I will take the swing leg of the leg that broke the swing high or low until there's a swing high. So like this is, for example, let's say you're taking this leg, then you go from the swing low here to the swing high. That one's probably easy. But then we had another leg up. So for this one, it would have to be from the swing low that broke that swing high. This one's just an obvious swing low here. You could do this one, I guess. Is this one balanced? But I would just do this one, honestly. The swing high is here. Yeah, that's what I would do for that one. Because this one's not so... I don't think this is the start of the move. You have to think about, like, what's the start of the move that broke that swing high? It's definitely this candle. Here we go. NQ took out that pre-market high. Did ES take out previous day high yet? Not yet. So if like we end up getting some shorts, this is probably some sell side, minor sell side here. It's on the 3-minute. There's a small FEG here, and this is a swing low. That's only if you end up seeing something to the downside. That looks good. I mean, ideally, this takes out this previous day high. Bum, 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 bum. Feliz de Janeiro. Can I DM you a partnership deal? I mean, sure, you can. I think the best things for you to do is email Tanya at tanyatrades.com. I do get so many inquiries about that. And honestly, though, like, I'm not really looking to partner with another funded company at the moment. Like, I feel like I have enough. I've told a bunch of them actually. I'm not doing right now partnerships at this time. Any new ones? So, like, if you did email me and I didn't answer, that's probably. I'm sorry if I didn't answer your email. I get a lot. Like for Tradeify, you guys, Tradeify was like talking to me for like months. And I was like, nah, I'm not doing it. I'm not partnering with anyone new at the time. We'll see if, like, once you guys establish yourself a little bit more. And then, like, after like another 2 months, then I was like, okay. Because some of my colleagues have been using them and said good things. So I'd rather just be safe than sorry. Like, for me to put my endorsement behind the company, it's a lot. And I take it seriously. So yeah, at the moment, I'm not doing any like more, not really taking up any more partnerships at the time, at this time. Tanya needs ganja. I don't smoke ganja, okay? And that's something in 5th grade taekwondo class, like, this kid made that joke. Like, Tanya, ganja. Tanya rhymes with ganja. I don't know. There's probably no doctors in the chat, but maybe it's like acid reflux why I cough in the morning. My friend's boyfriend said that. That's why it is for him. Like, after eating something, but I don't know. It doesn't really bother me. It's gone by the middle of the day, so. But I don't smoke. If I smoked, it would be an easy way to say, like, yeah. Okay, here, ES just took previous day high. So we're in this daily FEG now in ES, right? This is going to be very interesting. How is this candle going to close? Are we going to encapsulate the whole daily FEG? I'm not going to, again, I wouldn't short right away. You shouldn't short. This is where I feel like shorts get squeezed out. They're like FOMOing in 3 down days in the market. Now they're like, yeah, let me short now. And now they're getting like completely hurt. It's kind of funny the longs got hurt there. But you gotta wait for the proper entry. Proper confirmation. It's not nowhere. You know, for ES at least, you'd want to see like this invert this. That's why I marked this out. But no, nothing. You can just keep running. I don't care. There were probably a few people that were trying to long this because it's holding pre-market high. I'm just thinking retail. And it's working out for them. There's definitely a seek and destroy for the first, like, 20 minutes of the day. Yeah, I didn't find any trade yet for me, personally. Let's see here in the higher time frame here on NQ. Yeah, I'm just going to chill. I mean, look at this. I don't think that this is going to be... If this is, like, a huge green candle to the upside on this 4-hour chart, I'll be quite, like, impressed. Because that will exceed my expectations, you know? I don't really expect this to be, like, this huge candle up just because of how there's not really any imbalances on the 4-hour or in the hourly there like that. Oh, there is this huge one actually. Never mind. Yeah, there's this. We had the SMTs there at the high though yesterday. I'd rather just wait here. Yeah. Kind of do have smooth highs again, I guess, because NQ is the one that didn't take it, right? Yeah. And ES is the one that took those highs at E30-ish. And we just took that, right? Wait. Oh, okay, never mind. NQ took out this like 1 a.m. high. That's what ended up happening. But it didn't take out all these ones to the upside from previous day high. Which, by the way, I marked that incorrectly. I put on like Monday's high or something. Confused. Oh, I did it right. Okay. Okay. The high is right there. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. These are smooth highs. But I'm trying to still think based on this hourly. I don't know. This is not enough for me to think that we're going to do low resistance, run higher. Nope. We have this giant. See if we can like hold above yesterday's 930 high, I suppose. But I don't know. Definitely not too comfortable with today's action to be wanting to rush into anything. Especially we just took this previous day high on ES. I think that's pretty much still my trade idea is like, okay, yeah, now we probably hurt anyone that was like FOMOing shorts or like, I don't know, trying to pile in short here, saying this is resistance. I feel like I'm just gonna wait until there's like another shift to the downside. It might not be this morning, but totally fine with chilling today. So I don't mess up my mental for Friday. And Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Ooh, we have high impact news tomorrow? Yeah, 8:30. And ooh, Friday's a big day. PCE. The Fed really looks at PCE as well as the CPI numbers, but they really do look at the PCE numbers when they're determining whether or not to cut rates. Powell himself said that. La papa. This was kind of like a wild morning so far. You had this like doji here and then this huge upside candle in the 15. And then, let's see. On the 5, it's been like following bullish quarterly flow, but pretty sloppy in that way, you know? Meaning like no displacements to the upside on the 5. No imbalances. It's just been pretty much on like the 3, I guess. Pre-market high was hit. It would be nice to start seeing some speed to the downside here. This is finally like a swing low that's getting broken here. Maybe it is now. Kind of funny today. Right after I'm saying something, it's kind of like I'm saying that here. 20 points. Let's see. I'm not really gonna rush into anything. Like I said, I don't want to F around and find out today. But I'll try something if it presents itself. This is a 30-second now. How many points is that? With a stop? It's not too bad. It's like to make 60. It's not bad at all. I didn't enter it yet, but I was looking for a retracement to here or here. But as it's breaking down this, I'll probably look for something on another swing if it doesn't go without me. Probably target this. No, it's not coming back. I think ES is now inverting this. Didn't come back for me. Oh well. If it did that, that's like a 1.2 R on the 15, but I was waiting for the 30-second here. Well, I'll wait. Let's see here now on this fib from here to here. Where is 50%? Yeah, I wouldn't short below 50. Okay, I'm gonna try that now. I got it. It's retracing for me right now, so see if that's gonna work out. I would go for this. Stops that. It's like a 1.5 R. Probably a little bit less because I got it filled at 305. Yeah, because I think that this is a pretty good chance. See? Ideally, it should fail here quickly. So I was like in drawdown for about 1 minute so far. Still in drawdown of like 5 or 7 points ish. See? Hmm. I have to cut and re-enter this trade real quickly because I didn't copy all of them. Okay. Back in. Sell, buy, stop, buy, limit, yeah. Bruh, what do you mean it didn't copy everything? Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Fine. One second. I'm still in the trade. All right. All right, cool. I copied everything. Still in this trade. Boom, boom, boom. 62. Is that what that is? Oh, I got stopped out of that. That's fine. Tried it for the second leg down to the downside. Didn't work out. Quite interessante that we're coming back up again. It's fine. Okay. It's funny that ES didn't take out that high. Okay. Well, I tried my short there. My short idea didn't plan out, so I'm just gonna wait now. Slash, probably not gonna find anything much else. It might just keep going up higher today. That looked pretty convincing. This move down, so it's back in that 1 minute FEG here. It's kind of wild. I did think that it was gonna run these lows ES too. Okay, let's see. Very difficult day. So if it ends up inverting this, I'll get back in. Stop, please. I can't answer anything. Or I'll answer you later, thanks. Or I'm back into this. I'm back in my position. If I get hurt here, then I'm fine. Then I'm not going to try anything more. But I like that inversion after it took out some minor buy side. Not on the 30-second inverted, but I think it's good enough here. I think it's a good RR. 2162. Well, I'm an immediate drawdown. It's probably gonna whack me. We'll see. What's this high? 5.3? 5.375. Okay. It didn't stop me out yet. What was my RR here? See if this works out or not. So far, I don't love that, like, I'm sitting in immediate drawdown, but that's pretty much how that goes sometimes. Yes, doing VS is like making a new high. I'm probably gonna cut this. Okay, it's not at the moment. It is now. I'm cutting this before it gets stopped out. Yeah, it's probably gonna go higher. So I cut that there for negative 23 points. Yeah, because I just don't like it anymore. It's fine for me to cut that. It's not gonna work out. Probably I don't want to press shorts too much today. I'm gonna have 7. If this ends up working out now, I'm probably gonna be pissed. Not gonna lie. But Nah, I'm not gonna get enticed back in or anything. I don't think it's gonna work out. It's like holding up here too much. Taking way too long. If it was gonna do an inversion, it would have worked out pretty much immediately in my favor. The fact that I was like in drawdown for 3 minutes or so. If I'm gonna enter inversion, I want to be right, pretty much right away. So, yep, cut that quick. Not quick, yeah, kind of was just in a few minutes of drawdown there, but how long did I end up in this trade for? And I cut it here. 5 minutes, okay. Yeah, it didn't even hit my stop. Watch it run down without me. It's gonna be so funny if it does this. I'm gonna be kind of pissed off, not gonna lie. Okay, let's see. I don't think I'm gonna enter it though. I won't re-enter. No. Yeah, I'm not about to get chopped here. Let's see. If I was still in this trade, I'd still be in drawdown here, like negative 5.5 R. Be back to break even for like a millisecond. Let's see here. And ES is still slowly grinding higher. See analysis. That 15-minute candle retraced so much. Let's see the stat map here. Look how big that is. The 4 hour. The 4 hour actually here lines up with the previous day high, the extension, the distribution. See here on the daily. On the daily, what does it say? Kind of funny. Like it's basically been chopping around here. It still hasn't hit my. Like I just marked out this like my original stop out. I stopped out prematurely because I don't want to be even part of this trashy back and forth because I'm okay with that. Let me see here. What was I gonna do? Get rid of that. So here I'd come back. If I hadn't stopped myself out prematurely, I would be about break-even-ish again here. Oh, that was a 1050 macro. Not gonna lie, might end up re-entering this. We'll see how this goes. In 1 minute, didn't even do much, but yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm trying again. One last try here, shorten here, and if I'm wrong, then I'm done. SMT is there. 1050 macro displacement. It's gonna be whack if I'm wrong again, but one last try there. It could have just been a time distortion or whatnot. I don't know. It's my last try. Where am I here? 25-ish. Stops here. Yeah. 51-ish. And I would go for this. Well, that's a 3R, honestly. Let's see. I can afford more position because it's such a small stop. Okay. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. You do have that SMT of ES. I'm actually okay if this takes a while to break down. Let's see where 2R is. This would be decent-ish. Bro, I get stopped out here though. That's it. I'm done for the day. Yep, got stopped out. Damn it. Really enticed me there. I'm not one. Oh well. Deadass, I tried shorting too much here. I mean, not too much. Yeah. Oh well. I lost, let's see here. Yeah, I'm down like, I lost like half what I made yesterday. It's fine. Half owed a bit there. I don't know. I think I'm okay with trying that. I tried that. Let me see. If I did that, tried shorting here, stopped out there. Tried again here, then I took premature stop. Started moving there, displaced again at the 1050 macro. Yeah, I'm alright with that. Especially, you know what? Like, it looks pretty good on the 15 here. It's been rejecting, you know? It filled in this BPR literally completely. Wicked through it, rejected, and rejecting. It's just been tough here. So I don't mind that I tried shorting there, honestly. Like, I get stopped out in this kind of BS, I'm fine with that. see now. Boo. Shitty day. Honestly, thought it would be, though. I'm literally gonna laugh my ass off if now I get stopped out and it just goes to my target. But I'm not, there's no chance I'm re-entering anything right now. This back and forth is disgusting. It's gross. No, I'll wait for tomorrow. Wait, what did I just do there? Okay, I don't know what I did. I would definitely try the first trade again. The second trade, I think I still would try it. It's definitely pretty enticing there. Maybe not. I don't know. The 30-second didn't confirm. I don't know. Ran this. Well, kind of just reviewing whether my loss is because of just probabilities or performance. I think the first one's fine. Second one, I think third one is fine also. It was looking pretty quick. Looked like we were starting to get some speed to the downside, so. Oh, then we just dried up. I'm not gonna get caught up in more of this crap here. Like in the past, 20 minutes we've just been back and forth here. 22 minutes. Trash. Someone turned the algo on and then off right after, you guys. I'm kind of interested in the afternoon, maybe if like a 5-minute low, but it really would have to have displacements. Probably wouldn't do it otherwise because Nvidia earnings after hours, that could definitely, I don't really see it dropping into the close like heavy. So what I'm thinking about is when we have mornings like that where we just don't take out any minor sell side that I have marked out here and here. A lot of times afternoon we'll come back and take it in the afternoon. But that being said, for afternoon trades, I demand it on the 5, and according to any of this, like we're not even seeing any displacements on the 5, except for this tiny one. So I doubt that anything good will even show up there. Nvidia's up, let's see, 4%. With Tesla. Tesla's down 1%. Okay. Apple's down 2%. Makes sense. Nvidia's pretty much holding things up. Okay. Pretty glad with then taking those stop outs and not raging. You hive day. I mean, where are you even? I don't know. Where are you targeting? I guess the previous day high then. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much got chopped up there. Like you can literally see in these little movements there. Anyway, we literally just went back and forth like that. I'm fine with that. I had the wrong bias. We just made new hive day. Create a little FEG there. Finally on the 2-minute, like otherwise not really much there. I made this. I don't know. See on the 5. What could I have done better? I don't know. Not much. I came in thinking we're going to have a divergence at the previous day high of ES and then shift lower, which had this huge push down lower. And I tried that. Didn't work. It was wrong. And then, yeah, I don't really care if we do end up hitting previous day high. I'll let it do that without me. I'd rather just wait and see what's up in the afternoon session, or like tomorrow. Tomorrow we have red folder news, and Friday we have red folder news. So I'm not going to push today. It's gonna be quiet. I already did try to push, so whatever. It's wrong. Just for a minor push down to sell side. From here to here. No, I guess we did come into 50%. Hmm. Let's see, 1050 to 1110. Let's see there. Yeah, I mean, that was a manipulation. I thought it was the start of the next leg lower. So I got caught up. I was liquidity there on that 1050 leg, but whatever. It took 1, 2, 3 minutes to get stopped out. Happy with that. Tear off the bandage. And then it was funny because, like, as soon as I got stopped out, this 1 minute candle started going lower. I was like, damn, if it goes lower, I'm going to be mad. But it didn't. Just held up again in this little area. I'm glad I didn't, like, rage. It's still a bad day. I'm gonna watch this. Wonder after all this, like, high resistance, are we gonna push up to here quickly? It's 90 points up there. The daily ATR is 355. What we do today? Yeah, 212 so far. So to here, it's totally possible. It's another, 250 would be to here. You're doing that, thinking that's low resistance, and you'd put your stop here and then you take it off there. I'm not gonna enter that. I'm just gonna watch it because that's part of my rules. I'm not just gonna enter after a couple of losing trades and being wrong on the bias, but I'll just monitor this one. Let's see, ES. Holding up. On the hourly, what do we look like now? not, yeah, so far on the way up, it's been low resistance. Like this swing low was not broken. The swing low was actually this one. Well, this didn't break the leg. This one didn't get broken. This one didn't get broken from here, and this push down. So I'm just monitoring that. Good luck if you are long. I am gonna watch this. All the shorts are knocked out, yeah. And it's pretty strong here. I feel like that's happened a lot, yeah. If you anticipate a high resistance like morning or tough morning, then later after, honestly after 11, ends up like running towards being cleaner. Let's see. That's what I kind of want to learn today. See if after 11. Then maybe for those days I'll say like I'll wait until after 11, not 10:50, honestly. But that's just something you don't immediately change your bias right away. But anyway, I was wrong today. Good luck. I do have someone at my door right now. I think my handyman's going to be here to install the wooden panels. So good luck. Don't get wrecked today. I'll see you back tomorrow.